Friends and viewers, welcome back once more. You are watching Lifted TV, and I am Jack. I'm not sure how many people actually know that, but my name is Jack. Okay. Today's video is going to be a relatively quick one, a bit more just me having a conversation with you, or just talking at you, because you know, you're just watching a video and I'm just talking to a camera, so it's going to be me just talking at you. I don't know how everybody is spending their isolation time. Maybe you're trying to get better at a hobby. Maybe you've been addicted to Warzone, or maybe you've just been doing Anyway, on with the video. Today's video, guys, is if you're a beginner and you're thinking about giving yourself a haircut but you don't have a clipper yet, this guide is which clipper is best to buy for beginners. So everybody, most people who are subscribed here will already know I'm not a professional barber. I learned off watching YouTube videos, and also I paid my barber for a few lessons, but I'm basically taught off YouTube. I've been cutting my own hair and my friends and family's hair for about 2 years now, and I've used only 2 clippers in my time. The first one was this one, the Wahl Color Pro, and then after that I moved on to using the Wahl Cordless Magic Clipper, which we have right here. Oh. Let's get into this. I made some notes today. How prepared am I? Right, first off, guys, I started off 2 years ago with the Wahl Color Pro. It's corded. It's a very basic clipper. It cost me £30, around £30. Comes in a neat little carry box, and it does come with a bunch of coloured guards. Basically, it's made for the amateur barber who's cutting hair from their own home. The guards are coloured so that you can easily identify which guard is which and not make any cutting errors, like putting on the wrong guard and, you know. It's a cheap clipper. I'm going to say it's good for somebody who's just getting started. When I bought this clipper, I didn't know whether cutting hair was for me or not, so I didn't want to invest in an expensive clipper. So I just got this one just to sort of test things out, test the water, cut my own hair a couple of times, cut my friend's hair a couple of times, and see if I enjoyed cutting hair. See, the pros of the Wahl Color Pro are: it's cheap, it does a good job, like it's got a good enough motor, cuts hair reasonably well. It's not professional grade, but it can do a good haircut. So if you guys are not 100% sure if you want to dive right in and buy an expensive clipper, if you're not sure that cutting hair's for you, you can test the water, get a Color Pro, and just see if cutting hair's for you first. That's that one covered. One thing I need to make very clear is, whichever clipper you might be buying, make sure it has a lever on the side like this, okay? It needs to have a lever. You see both of my clippers have this lever on the side. I know Wahl Color Pro does sell a version without the lever. So guys, make sure you get the lever, because the lever is very, very important, okay? With the lever closed like this, the clipper is at a 0. With the lever open like this, the blade moves away, and that gives us an extra 0.5. So this is 0.5, this is 0, and you need to be able to move the lever and adjust the lever to achieve a nice fade. Okay guys, so that's very important. Had a few people messaging me on Instagram asking about which clipper they should buy, and guys, that's one of the main tips, is make sure that it has a lever, okay? Most important thing, because I know one guy messaged me and he just bought a clipper without a lever, and I would definitely suggest, well, the lever is important. I just have to make that clear, the lever is important. Okay guys, so then after I'd been cutting hair for about 6 months at home, cutting my brother's hair, cutting a few friends' hair, cutting my own hair a couple of times, I decided to upgrade and buy a new clipper. I actually asked my barber which one he recommends, and he said just go straight in and get yourself the cordless wall Magiclip. Cost me about £80 or £90. I got it from a wholesale company, but I know you can get it from Amazon and places like that. I wasn't really expecting such big things. Like, I thought it would be kind of similar to the other clipper, but oh my god, I was so amazed when I used this clipper. It was so different. It's an absolute game changer. The motor on this thing is super powerful. It cuts so cleanly. Like, one little glide, all the hair is gone. With this Color Pro, you may have to go over it once, you may have to go over it twice just to make sure you've gotten all the hair. With this thing, it's getting everything in one go, and that has its pros and it also has its cons. If you're a beginner, this is not forgiving. If you make a mistake, this is not forgiving. If you have the Color Pro, it's more forgiving if you're going to make a mistake, because it might not show up as quick. This cuts a lot cleaner, and if wherever you cut, hair's coming off with this one. So the motor's really powerful on this one. Obviously it's cordless, so it does come with a charging cable that fits in there. It takes about half an hour to charge. It's never really taken longer than that for me. The charge lasts for well over 2 hours. If you've decided that you like cutting hair and you're going to be in it for the long game, I would definitely recommend this clipper right here, the cordless Magiclip. I know I've only used 2 clippers, but I couldn't recommend this clipper enough. If you walk into any barbershop in the UK, it's highly likely that you'll see this clipper somewhere in that barbershop. So that's all I'm saying about this one. So yeah, but I will say, as soon as I switched to this clipper, my haircuts, what I did, improved significantly. So yeah, if you want to cut hair for the long game, I'm going to suggest going for a clipper like the cordless Magiclip or another clipper on the same tier as this. However, if you just want to try cutting hair and see if you like it, then I would definitely recommend the Wahl Color Pro. Great starting off clipper. I used it for a good 6 months. So the Wahl cordless Magiclipper comes in a box like this. Comes with all your guards, including the 0.5 and the 1.5 guard. The Wahl Color Pro comes with all the guards you need. It also comes with a pair of scissors, it comes with a little comb, and that's it. It doesn't actually come with the 1.5 guard or the 0.5 guard, which you do need for cutting at such short lengths. However, I bought this and this, the 0.5 and the 1.5, off of eBay very cheaply, I think for like under £5. So if you get in the Color Pro and it doesn't come with these 2 guards, you can buy these 2 guards from eBay or other places. But I do recommend getting these guards. Whichever clipper you end up getting, you're going to need these guards along with the rest of the guards, okay? 1.5, 0.5. If you're interested, if you've been interested and you've watched till the end, thank you very much. Please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed already. We're on 4,000 subscribers, but I can feel 5,000 subscribers coming up very soon, very soon. Some good things have been happening recently. Personally, I've been following the Blue Man channel for about 5 years now. I'm sure most of you guys who are subscribed to my channel probably also follow Blue Man channel. However, if you don't, be sure to go and check it out. But in his newest video, he's actually done a shout out of my last video of me cutting my own hair. So that was pretty crazy to me to see my clip on his channel, and he's got like 1.6 million subscribers. So I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty buzzing about that. I was pretty happy about that. Great, isn't it? That's great news, exciting news for a small channel like me. And that's all I've got to say on the matter today. The day is Easter Monday, guys, so I hope you're all having a great Easter holiday, even though we're all stuck inside. But anyway, guys, take it easy, stay safe out there, And yeah, that's it.